Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you how I did these super long passion twists using 18-inch hair that I got from Toyotress, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, so let's just jump right into the video. Today I decided to do these extra long booty length passion twists, and I'll be using this hair that was sent to me by a company on Amazon. This is the Toyotress Passion Twist Hair Ombre Brown 18-inch 6-packs water wave crochet braids for passion twist, crochet hair, passion twist braiding hair extensions. And I got a total of 6 packs in the color of T30. Okay, so I started off by stretching the strands of water wave hair by pulling them in the middle, but I didn't pull it all the way apart. I left the ends intact. And I've already parted my hair off camera, and I'm going to be using rubber bands for the back of my hair. Well, basically, I'm going to be using rubber bands everywhere except for my edges. So I'm going to be showing you all about 3 or 4 different methods of doing passion twists. I started off by putting some honey butter on my hair. Then I grabbed 2 or 3 strands of the passion twist hair, and I used my crochet needle to pull one end through. And then I got my Murray's Edgewax and put it on my natural hair, combed out my ends to make them like sleek, I guess, and then I started to wrap one side of the passion twist hair around to cover the rubber band. I actually got this method from a girl on Instagram, a hairstylist on Instagram. I'll put her Instagram name. It didn't come out right for the first one. You see, it looked crazy. So I just moved on to my edge. And for this passion twist, I'll be using a knotless twist method. This is like the one that I did for the passion twist tutorial that I have posted on my channel already. There's a card for it and a link for it in my description box below if you're interested in watching. So basically, I just grabbed 2 sections of hair and I put the passion twist hair in between. I don't know if that makes sense, but you can see what I'm talking about. And I rotated or twisted one side clockwise and the next side clockwise, and then twisted the twist down counterclockwise. You can see the motion I'm doing if it doesn't make sense what I'm saying, but I realized what I had got wrong when I was wrapping it around the first time. I was wrapping it around the wrong direction for the way that I was twisting. So now I am wrapping it around counterclockwise because I'm going to be twisting counterclockwise. Whichever direction you twist is the way that you would wrap the hair around the rubber band. And basically you're starting to twist off as a faux lock and then twisting it down as a passion twist. To make the twist extra long, I basically fed in pieces of passion twist hair as I twisted down. So yeah, that's what I did. And I also left some curly ends out just to give it some of like a goddess look. So now, I didn't do these twists too small, but I did do them kind of long. I am 5'10", so these twists are about, I would say 38 inches, 36 inches. I was surprised. It didn't take me that long, but it did speed up the process for me to do them off camera just because I was able to stand up in a mirror and like really stretch my arms out and not have to try to fit in a frame. But anyways, this is what they're looking like so far. This is my first time wearing actual twisted down passion twists. I've worn crochet passion twists. There's a card and a link for it in my description box below. But This is my first time wearing actual twisted down passion twists, so I'm really liking what they're looking like. And by the time I got to the top of my head, I really got into the hang of which direction to wrap the one side of passion twist hair to cover that rubber band and to make it transition smoothly into the passion twist. Like I said, you just gotta make sure that you're wrapping in the same direction that you're twisting in. I twist in the direction as a left-handed person. I don't know if that's a thing, but that's what I was told. So I twist counterclockwise, so I'm wrapping the hair counterclockwise. And to make them extra long, I'm adding the passion twist hair in as I'm twisting it, like a feed-in twist. I don't know no other way to explain that. But basically, I really like this hair because it was super easy to stretch. It's super soft and it blends so well with my 4C hair. I did stretch my hair before I started these twists, but after putting the edge control and mousse and all that, it did shrink up and the texture is on point. I know how, like, you see when passion twist first came out, the hair was always so shiny and it could never blend with natural hair, but this brand, it really blends, so I really like that. Now I got my SheIsBombCollection Bomb Goo, and I'm just laying my little baby hairs or whatever. Nothing too fancy. I did have to make one of my top twists extra big because I did run out of hair. And you know, I only ran out of hair because I did these extra long. I didn't map out or plan out how I was gonna do it. I just did it as I went, and this is what I came up with. All the products I'm using are listed in the description box as usual. It took me about 4 hours total to do this hairstyle. Like I said, it's about 38 inches. I use all the packs of hair. Everything, the link for the hair, more hair information is all in my description box below. I really love this color blend. I really love the texture. Big shout out to Toyotress and big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.
Me I beg you, me guide them father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.